Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Aisha. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to complete this full glamorous look with pressed glitter, cut crease, and a smoky eye. All of the works. If you'd like to see this look, stay tuned. And of course, you want to make sure you start with a clean face. I use Neutrogena face wash and then pomegranate. And then I use a facial moisturizer, including the SPF 15, because using sunscreen is healthier for your skin. Per usual, I'm going to start with my NARS facial primer. I'm going to use this new product, NYX Liquid Illuminator, new to me, Born to Glow, and this is the shade Pure Gold. I just love the way this looks before I apply my foundation. And I bring that down to my neck and my chest as well. You ever been so stressed out the little things don't matter anymore? It's like, who cares? I got bigger things to worry about and bigger things to focus on. That's me lately. I'm going to go in with my Neutrogena. This is 335 Maybelline. Where's the Neutrogena? Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade 335. I know I'm late on this video too. I know you guys have been waiting for it for so long. I've just been so busy. You can probably hear my neighbors. They have parties like every weekend. Throughout the week too, actually. Totally forgot to do my eyebrows, so we're gonna do those now. But of course, typically you do your eyebrows before you apply your foundation because it just makes it 10 times harder. Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer Pencil, shade Ebony. And I also brought another Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony because chocolate is actually too light for my hair color. And I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. Using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. I'm gonna use this as a eye primer. And I'm gonna come in a little closer so you guys can see the magic. I started with my Morphe eyeshadow palette, Second Nature 3502. Toast as my transition color. I put that right here. Then I will be using my Urban Decay Electric palette, and I'll be using this shade Gonzo. And that same brush I used for my brown transition, I'm gonna go in with the Gonzo and apply that to the upper lid.
HRN into the top, man.
Again with the electric palette, I'm gonna go in with this darker shade here, which is Chaos. Then I'm gonna apply that on top. And I'm just gonna add more to the corner, outside corner, because I want that to be the darkest. And using a blending brush, I'm just gonna blend that in. LA Girl Pro Concealer, Pure Beige.
HRN into the top, man.
Using a small, soft brush, I'm gonna apply a setting spray, a dab of that to there. I'm using my M.A.C Cosmetics. I just bought this case. It's a magnetic case that holds pressed glitter so they don't fall out. I'm gonna go in with this shade here. And again, this is M.A.C Cosmetics.
HRN into the top, man.
And with my electric palette, I'm gonna go in using the shade Chaos and apply that to my bottom waterline. gonna make a video talking about dating a guy who just had a baby. Like they broke up, him and his girl broke up before she even found out she was pregnant, or they broke up when she was pregnant. I just want to talk about that for you guys and see what you guys think about it. I'm definitely gonna make that my next chat video because I may be in that situation. And just put a little gunzo, that lighter shade we put on the eyelid in the middle. My Carly Bible palette. I'm gonna use this highlighter here. It's got a little holographic feel to it. Apply that underneath my brow line. Liner Kat Von D, her tattoo ink liner in the shade Trooper. Let's get down to business. Yes, that works perfect. It looks great. My mascara, and this is from Maybelline Great Lash Lane. I use every single time. Apply mascara. A Duo Dark Adhesive. I'm gonna apply this to the eyelashes I have sitting here. I've already applied them, so I'm gonna give them about 30 seconds to start to dry. And while I wait for that, I'm gonna go ahead and start concealing and contouring. I bought the Tarte Shape Tape concealers. I bought Tan Sand and Tan. I wasn't sure which one because I bought them offline. But today I think I'm gonna try using Tan. It kind of smells like perfume. It smells really good. That's good to know. I let this sit on my face a while and it's still blendable. Spray a little facial spray, my everyday scoop. This is the cucumber and green tea. Yeah, that is a great concealer. I definitely recommend it. As I left that on there for about a minute and a half and I was still able to blend it out. You only need a little bit of product. It blends and spreads and goes a long way. It has a great smell to it and it really sinks into the skin. I really love this concealer. Yay! Going in with my Rihanna Matchstick. This is the shade Truffle. I use this to contour, cream contour. I really like cream contours more than liquid contours now. We sharing perks. We sharing cookie perks. Bruce is looking at me like this.
HRN into the top, man.
MAC Blunt. Boom! I finally got the Laura Mercier Holy Grail of setting powders in the shade Translucent, so I'm gonna apply that to my highlighting spot. Only heard great things about it. Great things. I'm gonna apply a little bronzer. I bought this from the hair store, $6.99, and this is the shade Dark. Using the same brush, my Morphe E58 brush that I use to contour. And I'm extra, so I like using more setting powder, Derma Blend, and this is the shade Warm Saffron. Apply that on top of the Laura Mercier Translucent. Don't make me blush, honey. But let's get some blush on. We're gonna use the MAC Fleur. And those apples for my cheeks, and then working my way up my cheekbone. And now I'm ready to blend off all this makeup and blend in all the different things together.
Into the top, man.
Hey, blow up.
Herbs and rose water. Ooh, fancy, fancy. And this just kind of blends all the makeup in together. Just makes it hydrated and look flawless. All Nighter Holy Grail of Setting Sprays by Urban Decay. Had it out of my face though. After I put my setting spray, I like to use my highlighter. So today I'm gonna go in with more Urban Decay products, and this is the Afterglow 8 Hour Send Highlighter. And you guys should know me by now, I'm not a big highlighter fanatic. So, I don't put a lot on. Don't kill me. Of course, gotta put some on my shoulder line. Let's do a little bit on my cupid's bow. Now for the lips, my recent concoction, I've been using a lot of NYX products. This is the NYX Turnt Up, and this is the shade Stone. And again, NYX Suede, and this is the shade Los Angeles. And NYX Butter Gloss, and this is the shade Praline, not sure. And let me give you guys a little do.
HRN into the top, man.
Can't stop, won't stop, get guap. 10 white toes and them toy flip-flops.
Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna
That's the
fight.
final look. Make sure you guys like and love this look. And hit that subscribe button. If you don't, I don't like you. Hit that subscribe button. If you don't, I don't like you. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh.